A milestone in the history of Indian aviation. The Hyderabad airport introducing e-boarding for international passengers. The news in detail. The GMR Hyderabad International Airport on Tuesday announced the introduction of paperless e-boarding facility for all international passengers traveling abroad from Hyderabad. Claiming that it is a significant milestone in the history of Indian aviation, Chief Executive Officer of GMR Hyderabad International Airport Limited, Sri Pradeep Panikkar said the e-boarding solution for international operation was the first for any Indian airport in India. Indigo is the first airline to avail this facility. On October 2, 2020, the low-cost carriers Sharjah-bound passengers e-boarded themselves from Hyderabad on the 6E1405 flight. The new procedure follows the true spirit of Atmanirbhar Bharat and in line with the centre's Digital India campaign, says GMR in a statement. Hyderabad International Airport has already started fully end-to-end paperless e-boarding facility to all its domestic passengers across all flights in December 2015. The international e-boarding service will help reduce queue waiting time for flyers at the airport. The e-boarding service works as an advanced security solution and remove redundancies at checkpoints. The service also enables airlines to improve their resource utilization and optimize their process. This will also enhance the safety and security of airports, GMR said in the statement. The service is currently available for selected international flights of Indigo Airlines. Other scheduled international carriers operating out of Hyderabad are in the process of integration with the airport's e-boarding system, which will be rolled out soon. Passengers availing an international flight e-boarding service need to follow a few steps. Flyers must book the ticket online and do a web check-in. At the airport, passengers must show the digital or printed boarding card at the e-boarding scanner at departures entrance gate. Flyers will be allowed to proceed once CISF validates the documents. At the check-in counter, the agent scans the boarding card and flyers must drop luggage at the counter. At immigration, flyers must complete the passport verification, a process overseen by the Bureau of Immigration officials. At the security screening zone, flyers must put hand baggage on the automatic tray retrieval system and then proceed for security check. They need to scan the boarding card on an e-boarding scanner. At the boarding gate, passengers must scan the boarding card on an e-boarding scanner and then move towards the gates for boarding the aircraft. International flyers are processed from the interim international departure terminal. Passengers must go through special screening and safety measures as a mandatory process against the coronavirus. News Desk, Karma News.